Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MBRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, this is one of these charts where you don't like to see this happen at all, but it also just serves as the great illustrator that, gamblers are going to get crushed every now and then, and this, these pharma stocks, especially in this price range, they can be big gambles, and you can have situations where one day things are gapping up, and the next day, literally all the way back to not only where it started, because this all started right there with the gap up, but even down below those levels. But still, you don't like to see it, just because there's a bunch of new people that got absolutely roasted. But from a trading standpoint now, definitely an interesting scenario going on, and I squeezed down the chart here just so that you can see that it's been a very long time since the price has been down this low. Maybe this is at all-time lows. That point doesn't necessarily matter, but the idea here is that it is low. It's at lows, it being the price that have not been seen for a very, very long time. And now that brings about, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while and I'm sure you've seen stocks like this in this price range that get beat down, and then all of a sudden they show some signs of a potential bottom, and it can produce some very nice movements. And the sign of a potential bottom is the fact that the price at least just started to go sideways here, right here at 82 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there is this big beat down, and then all of a sudden the price started to go sideways, does not mean that this is guaranteed to be the bottom. Now, is it at least is it at least a rational thought to have? Yeah, absolutely. Now, if the price was just going straight down here, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom, you'd be totally justified to say, wait, what are you talking about? The price is literally going straight down. But that's not the case here, right? The price has at least started to go sideways. So does that mean this is the bottom guarantee? No. But is it valid? Is it a rational thought to have? Absolutely. So 82 cents, definitely going to be that key level of support going forward. Now, in the event the price does start to bounce back upwards, we're seeing these potential areas of resistance at. And like I said, not a guaranteed bounce, but for those of you that have traded, you know that these sorts of stocks, if they start to bounce, they can get going in a hurry. And that first key level of resistance that'll need to be broken right there at 85 cents. And then if 85 cents can be broken, next levels are up there around those moving averages currently valued at 92 cents. So yeah, absolutely rough day today, but we'll see if the bulls have something in store, even if it's just a dead cat bounce. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.